This is a quick review of this vertical power strip. It comes with a 10-foot cord and a user manual. Let's start by checking out the plug at the end of the cord. Unlike old-style power strips, this plug is flat, making it easy to fit into tight spaces like behind sofas, beds, nightstands, or even filing cabinets. The 10-foot cord is super handy. For example, you can place the tower in the middle of a table so everyone around it can plug into the USB ports or power outlets. On top of the tower, there are two switches, one for the USB ports and another for the standard power outlets. Now let's talk about some of the hidden features of this power strip. It's designed with built-in protection against overloads, short circuits, or even overcurrent. Flip it over and you'll see a reset button in case it's ever needed. This vertical power strip is a great solution for keeping your devices powered and protected all in one compact design. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.